Love it. Oh my god, amazing. And this is what happens when a Greek salad and a chicken dinner have a baby. Hello darlings, my name is Tatiana. Since end of 2024, I have lost more than 30 kilograms and I am creating a series of nutritious, fast, delicious recipes for busy women. What's cooking? And today we're making a Greek salad chicken bowl because sometimes we crave something Mediterranean, something vacationy, but the bank account says that we stay in Vienna. And before we start cooking, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you already did, gently nudge notification bell and you will get notifications about new videos. I post what's cooking every week, and not only. I also have beauty videos, vlogs, and sit and talk. And tell me right now in the comment section, what is your favorite Mediterranean vacation destination? Maybe we cook something inspired by this country. One reason why Mediterranean diets keep showing up in health research is that they make it easy to eat plenty of vegetables, protein, and healthy fats without restriction. And because per usual I want to cook as fast as possible, we do everything efficient. We start with potato. I thought between rice and potato and decided that we have lots of rice bowls, not much potatoes, and many people demonize potatoes for healthy nutrition, and potatoes are amazing. They have protein. We go for potatoes, for crispy air fryer potato wedges. I took potatoes for roasting. I don't want actually to clean it because in the peel there is lots of fiber. Just cut fast into wedges, however you want. And I start with potato because it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to bake it in air fryer, way faster than in the oven. But if I know that I cook for bigger party, for example for friends dinner, I of course make everything in the oven. Today I just need a girl dinner. So not perfect potato. Cut it. I don't know what's black, what is it, but I prefer not to eat it. I cook bigger portion that can be 2 portions because tomorrow I have a busy day and it will be also my lunch. It takes 2 minutes or less to cut wedges of potato, and now we add spices. I like Greek cuisine because they heavily go on garlic and lemon, and into the wedges I add garlic, dry garlic. I'm generous here. Garlicky potatoes is amazing. Match made in heaven. I add teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of oregano. Oh, the whole teaspoon. Okay, got enthusiastic. And marjoram. I think I need to be gentle. Half a teaspoon. Great. Then what we do, salt, of course. Flakes of salt. And lemon. We put lemon here everywhere. Just a bit, I don't know, teaspoon. And I'm a bit improvising. Tablespoon of olive oil. And we mix it. Cover every potato veg in aromatic spices. Already it smells like Greek vacation. And look at them. Oh, good. Smoked paprika gives you this a bit grueling experience. We start with air frying potatoes. I put them in the basket. I choose fries. It's 200 for 17 minutes. I think 15 will be enough, and we shake in the half, in the middle. Let's go. While potato fries in air fryer, it's time for chicken. I prefer going for chicken thighs. They are already deboned, and to cook fast, I want to slice them and then marinate for 5-7 minutes in lemon and spices. I put chicken on second chopping board because I don't want meat on my wooden board. I don't want chicken, raw chicken on my wooden board. My mom always told me, don't cut your meat on wooden boards, because the slices are quite small. They will marinate very fast. Of course, you can do overnight marinade, especially if you cook a lot, maybe for family dinner. But again, for go dinner, that's our maximum. For chicken marinade, I take real garlic, fresh. What do we have here? Oh, fresh big chunks of garlic. I will need 2, 1 for chicken and 1 for Greek yogurt sauce. Good. Knife, chicken juicing device, garlic juicing device, squishing. Sometimes they are not easy to peel, but they always are worth the hustle. Love garlic. I think it's better to cut it in half because it's a big chunky garlic, and we squish it right in the chicken. Good. Then what I'm feeling like, of course, salt. Salt flakes around teaspoon, half teaspoon. Looks like enough. Pretty much similar to potato spices. Teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half maybe. Teaspoon of oregano. Of course, half of teaspoon of marjoram. Yes, and I want to add just a bit of cumin, just a pinch, because cumin is quite active spice, quite strong. Yeah, I already feel it. And lemon, I think we can get a teaspoon out of it. If you want to catch lemon seeds, squeeze it in your palm. No, we need second half. I forgot to buy a lemon yesterday, so now I'm quite stingy with lemon. Not by choice, by mistake. Why am I not squeezing? Okay. Okay, top one. Good. And we have a quarter for the sauce. Black pepper. Also just a pinch. And of course, olive oil. Tablespoon. Good fats, very good fats. Mix, mix, mix. You can put it, of course, in your fridge overnight, and then we will have heavenly marinated chicken. But we marinate it until potato is ready. It's like 7 more minutes. We put it in air fryer after potato. Since we're going to have it partially as a dinner and partially as a meal prep for lunch, I prepare Greek-style salad, but I don't add any spices. I will cut all vegetables in pretty much the same size and will mix it in a container and just put it in my bowl today and tomorrow. Just smash everything in one bowl and put it here. It's not Michelin star cuisine, so be chaotic, be free. Usually there is no spinach leaves in Greek salad, but I add it for fiber because it helps with digestion and with sugar levels regulation, which is important if you have insulin resistance. We continue with cucumber. It is Greek style salad because I'm not going to add any spices or any seasoning to it, and because I don't add olives. I don't like olives. I don't eat olives. For me, they are too bitter. Then cherry tomatoes in quarters. I prefer cutting cherry tomatoes too. They're not too big. They make the salad juicier when they're cut. Some are bigger and we cut them in quarters. Some are smaller. Or if you prefer bigger cuts, of course, cut it in half. We are free here. Already it looks absolutely amazing. It smells so good. I love summer vegetables, and these are seasonal vegetables, and it's time to take out the wedges and empty the basket for chicken. Yum! Now I put them into a bowl. Good. Let it stay and cool down a little. You can carefully clean the basket with paper towels. Be really careful because it's warm. Or don't clean, I don't care. We just add the chicken inside. I think because the slices are not big, chicken should take maximum 10 minutes to cook. We also flip it, shake it in the middle. Chicken, 10 minutes to 110. While chicken is getting brownie in the air fryer, we continue with the salad. I crave red onion for crispiness, sweetness, and spiciness. I like red onion more than white onion. I think the taste profile is more complex. I chop the onion a bit finer than all other vegetables. And I think half of onion is enough. Let's see. I like onion, but I want... It is a strong vegetable. I'm not sure if I need too much. Okay, let's add a little more. And then it's enough. Like, you see how much of what you want. You know your preferences better than I do, but I would say 3/4 of a middle onion. So all the vegetables. I just need to mix it. And we go and proceed with the sauce. So crispy. Fresh, crispy. Colors. If you don't like fresh paprika, I'm sorry, because actually the aroma that paprika brings to this salad makes it something with such flirty character. I don't know how to describe it. But of course, if you don't like fresh paprika, don't add it. You can add olives on the other hand that I don't like. And it's a lot of colors. We'll love it. And because I don't add any spices, any dressing, it will be pretty much the same next day. And very fast we cook the Greek yogurt sauce. Okay, friends, this all smells so delicious. I'm getting really hungry. The tzatziki inspired Greek yogurt sauce, half of garlic clove. And then let's chop some dill. Is it dill? Fresh dill. You can of course add frozen, whatever you have in your kitchen. I would not add dry one because dry dill needs time to open up in the sauce. But if you have time to prepare sauce before everything and you have only dry dill, then maybe you make sauce and let it stay for half an hour, and then it will blend all very well. I'm adding lemon juice. I don't know, half teaspoon. This lemon is not so juicy. And I want to add a bit of peel because it's the most aromatic part and I want my sauce to be very strong in aroma. We add, of course, some salt flakes, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. If it will be too little, we always can add more. Black pepper. Just a pinch, and Greek yogurt 200. Perfect. And olive oil, teaspoon. Looks very pretty. And we mix. Oh wow, good. Very good. Maybe, no, it's enough salt. Don't forget lemon peel. It brings to the heavenly level the sauce. It smells so good. Let's plate. I start with potato. It's not so hot anymore. Still hot, but not bad. Then half of the chicken. Good. The other half goes here for tomorrow. And juicy. Salad. And now the bowl looks very Mediterranean. Then sauce. A tablespoon of sauce. No, more. 2 tablespoons of sauce. Love it. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I want to add a bit of salt on the salad part. Then I have feta cheese. Put it a bit on the vegetables. Do we feel like adding olive oil to the vegetables? No. And to make it even more magical, smoked paprika. Yes! Masterpiece. Now let's finally try it. I know it will be good, but a lot of excitement. And time for a taste test. I pierced everything to have maximum flavor experience. Perfect. Just perfect. And this is what they call healthy nutrition. It's not gray, it's not tasteless. It looks messy, but oh my god, this mess. It was a great idea to add potato because with rice it would be more bland. And this, I'm looking forward to finishing the portion and having it tomorrow for lunch. Everything is balanced very well. We have a bit of sour from lemon and from Greek yogurt. We have salty from salt. We had fats from olive oil, from chicken thighs, from Greek yogurt. Protein in potato, in chicken. Lots of fiber. Also fat and protein in feta. It's quite balanced meal that will keep you full 4 hours, but also I'm quite okay with eating it for the night, for the dinner, because it keeps you full but not heavy, if you know what I mean. And that lunch and dinner sorted for around half an hour. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the recipe, consider subscribing to my channel, and watching I will leave somewhere else playlist What's Cooking for more recipes. I'm going to have my girl dinner. Eat well, stay hydrated, and I see you in the next one very soon.